Also tonight from our ABC 15 investigators, the Mesa birthing center promising changes after state regulators found the center failed to properly monitor fetal heart rate during at least one birth. As the ABC 15 investigators previously reported, Willow Midwife Center for Birth and Wellness faced two wrongful death lawsuits in the last year. State Health Department regulators inspected Willow in February of this year. They found that Willow administrators failed to ensure staff follow their policies, and several fetal heart tone checks did not happen on time during a birth in June of 2023. That baby died days later. The birthing facility had submitted a plan of correction detailing policy and training changes to ensure those vital sign checks occur as required. The ABC 15 investigators have created the first of its kind online midwife database. It has the licensing histories of all midwives in Arizona and their disciplinary records. You can find it at abc15.com/midwives.